Have you seen those viral AI videos where a giant hand places famous landmarks? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these cinematic AI videos using ChatGPT, Google Flow, and Flow Automator. Let's get started. Before you go, join our official Discord community. It's the best place to get the latest updates, bug fixes, product announcements, and direct support from our team. You can also report bugs, request new features, and connect with other users. The invite link is in the description. We'd love to see you there. First, download the giant hand landmark master prompter using the link in the description. Open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt. It will generate a list of famous landmarks from around the world. Simply choose any landmark, and ChatGPT will instantly create a detailed cinematic AI video prompt for it. You can repeat this process to generate as many video prompts as you want. Next, open Google Flow and install the Flow Automator using the link in the description. Launch the extension inside Google Flow. Flow Automator works directly within Google Flow and automates the entire video generation workflow. Instead of creating videos one by one, simply paste your complete list of prompts into the extension. Now choose your preferred AI video model, select your aspect ratio, and adjust any other generation settings. You only need to configure everything once. And Flow Automator automatically applies the same settings to every prompt in your list. When you're ready, click Start. Flow Automator automatically enters each prompt into Google Flow, applies your selected settings, starts the generation, waits for the video to finish, and then continues to the next prompt automatically. No more copying, no more pasting, no more clicking generate over and over again. Once the process is complete, you'll have a collection of cinematic giant hand landmark AI videos ready to share on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other platform. If you want to automate your Google Flow workflow and create AI videos much faster, check out Flow Automator using the links in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.